Hi everyone and welcome to week 6 of EDOL 595. This week we're going to be talking about chapters 11 and 12. In these chapters, our author Lycona talks about developing character education systems on a school-wide level, and then also in chapter 12 talking about how you highlight student groups and involve students and recognize their leadership. The school I currently work in has a program called PBIS, or Positive Behavior Intervention System, and it's a school-wide program that's a balanced program that highlights awards and way to recognize students, and then also the other side in what happens when a student's disciplined and how do we as adults in the school deal with that. What I like in chapter 12 is how Lycona also discusses having student councils, having student committees, and really involving groups of students in character development. Because as adults, we can provide education, we can provide advice, but it really comes down to the actions of the students in terms of character education and implementation. So both of these chapters discuss the need of a school-wide level character education program, and then also bringing in individual student groups and recognizing their leadership and their commitment to character education. Last week we only had 2 papers submitted for our ethical leader research paper. This week we'll have 5. You don't have to comment on all of them, but comment on a couple of them. And then also remember, when you're looking at your ethical dilemma, when you're commenting on your peers, be sure to make at least one comment and then also ask a question of another person. Some people are forgetting to ask the insightful question, and it's important. And it's meant to just help the author of that posting think a little bit deeper into what they've posted about the ethical dilemma. So you are all doing a wonderful job. I'm really enjoy reading all of the different things that are happening, and most of them are things that I've dealt with, but it's also great to hear it from your perspective and to listen to the backstory on all of these ethical dilemmas. So thank you for doing such a wonderful job. So this week we have our chapter readings 11 and 12, then you have your ethical dilemma postings, and then you need to comment on the summary of one or two of it. I'd say at least 2 of the 5 summaries that'll be posted. And if you have any questions, please be sure to email me. I have my Gmail, but I also check the Concordia email as well. I hope that you have a wonderful week. I think the readings are very interesting and definitely applicable to what we're dealing with in schools today. Thank you so much and have a wonderful week.